How to add apps to your home screen on your Android device. If you have apps that you regularly use and you don't want to keep going to your apps menu to open up the app, I'm going to show you a quick way to put a shortcut to the app on your home screen. Okay, straight into it. First, swipe up on your phone so it brings up all of your apps. Next, find the app that you want to add to your home screen. So for example, if I want to add the Instagram app to my home screen, it's right there. What I'm going to do is just click on it and hold it. In here, it gives you a couple of options, but the middle one says add to home screen. So I'm just going to click on that. And you'll see it's dropped it here on this page on my home screen. Now, if I want to move it to the first page of my home screen, if I want to put it here, I just need to again click and hold on the app, and then I can just drag it across. And then I can just drag it to wherever I want it. I can put it here, or I could put it up here if I really want to put it there, if I'm constantly using it and I always want to know where it is. Now, if you don't want to have this shortcut on your home screen anymore, all you do is just long press on it again and then click on remove, and it's gone. And that's all it takes to add shortcuts to apps to your home screen on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.